We've developed applications that are unique for the African continent. Africa is challenged in so many ways. Lack of infrastructure, the evils of social disease, war, kind of the challenges that most continents don't have. The more we reflected on what we wanted to do as a business, we said to ourselves, everything that comes out of Africa that's almost impossible. And we wanted to make the impossible possible through technology.
Business Connexion is a leading systems integrator in South Africa, and we are expanding rapidly into Africa. We realized through the enterprise customers that want to have the scalability and the single box offering that provides them with flexibility in terms of operating systems, that this provides a conduit for us to go into Africa. They like the rigor, the control and the security that we provide them, but scalability to them is probably the most important, to actually just grow as their business grows. For a customer like TransUnion, what works for us is being able to give them a high quality service. What doesn't work for them is downtime.
TransUnion is a trusted data provider in terms of data and risk management. We looked at what is the best possible way for us to provide this trusted service, both in relation to the security, but also in terms of the architecture and the best exploitation of the technology. The network capability, the redundancy that we got through the BCX infrastructure that we use, gave us the comfort that we could continuously provide that service in a seamless way to our consumers as well as to our big customers, corporate customers.
So through the use of mobile devices, TransUnion uses a cloud adoption model. We've noticed that you can build a cloud platform pretty much on any technology that's out there. But when it gets down to true cloud capabilities, being agile, managing it, monitoring it, and ultimately doing the scalability around it, those are the areas that's troublesome when it comes to commodity-based services. For Business Connexion, the Z Enterprise mainframe allows us to enter the African market at a rapid pace by providing us with a single solution that can offer an end-to-end cloud offering. It almost gives us unlimited flexibility and unlimited scalability. So when we enter a new African market, we put these systems down, and they're the one that can provide the end-to-end solutions for all the customers that we want to service. This means we don't have to build exhaustive size of data centers. We can build smaller data centers. We can even use mobile data centers and put these type of solutions in them and rapidly provide services to customers.
It's all about access and where we see the growth. The adoption of cloud computing will drive a lot of Africans to have access to the internet, to have more access to things like banking, telemedicine, and by that way we can enrich the lives of the communities that we live.